Here I am, late at night, after midnight, at a vending machine that takes up an entire storefront. I just purchased a cheeseburger, but look at all the other options. There's a loaf of bread, 2 liters of Coke, cookies, full jars of Nutella, always ultra thins, pasta boxes, sandwiches, drinks, full cartons of juice, candy, lighters, tandoori sandwiches, Mexican chicken legs, full-size potato chips. You can pretty much get anything you could possibly want late at night or anytime. Here we are, making a purchase. You can even pay with a credit card. There's this fancy little computer, and you put in your money, which you can't see because it's kind of dark. Barbecue chips. Then you push the button, this little thing goes and gets what you ordered. It gets what you ordered, moves back across to the computer, and then your product has arrived. It's amazing! I'm so stunned. Anyway, there you go. Crazy French invention.